Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I make a today I make a parachute with the balloons. Now I draw a balloon's half shape. Now I cut it. I cut 5 balloons like this. Cut it properly and neatly. Now my balloons is ready. I use a glue to paste it in this shape like this. Look, it looks amazing. Now paste it. Our balloons is ready. Next work is paste our balloons like this on a card. Now on a cardboard, I draw a shape of the parachute or a basket. Use in the down. Now cut it like this. Cut the shape. Now this is its final look here. Okay, paste it like this. And now I use a marker to draw lines with it. Look, it looks amazing. I think it looks like a parachute. Okay, draw another line, more lines on it. Okay, paste it again. Now our parachute card is ready. Looks. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel.